In a veiled warning to the BJP, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara hinted that police might use caning to disperse protesters, causing public inconvenience. This warning comes as the BJP plans a statewide Rasta Roko protest on Thursday against the Congress government's fuel price hike across all assembly constituencies except Bengaluru. Parameshwara stated the government has no issue with the BJP protesting but emphasized it should not disrupt public order. He mentioned that police would clear the way if necessary, even if it means using force. Last week, the BJP held protests statewide on the same issue. Parameshwara noted such roadblock protests require police permission.
ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅವರ ಹಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗದಾಗೆ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಜನ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಪ್ರತಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬೀದಿಗಿಳಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕೋ ತಗೊತೀವಿ. ಲಾಠಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತೆರವುಗೊಳಿಸೋಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ರಸ್ತೆ ತಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ನೀವು ಕರಿಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾರ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಂಜಸವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಆದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ತಡೆಗಳು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
In addition, the BJP has organized a cycle jatha led by the state president B.Y. Vijendra, cycling from the party's state headquarters to Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru on Thursday to protest fuel price hike.
Why are you protesting today?
From last couple of days, Bharatiya Janata Party is protesting against the state government's decision of increase on taxes on petrol and diesel. As you are aware, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has increased ₹3 and ₹3.50 against diesel, ₹3 against petrol. So Bharatiya Janata Party is protesting across the state. But even today, the government has not changed the decision. BJP is demanding that Chief Minister has to roll back his decision, take back his decision of increase in prices of petrol and diesel. But unfortunately, the state government is bound to continue with the decision which has already been taken. So Bharatiya Janata Party is not going to keep quiet. Even today, we are organized Rasta Roko across the state. Our Karyakarta are protesting across the state by doing Rasta Roko. Here in Bangalore today with all our senior leaders, we are taking up cycle jatha. See, it's a peaceful protest. I really don't understand why government is hell-bent upon in curbing our protest. Bharatiya Janata Party with all our senior leaders across the state, we are doing a peaceful protest against the state government's decision. But the arrogance of the state government of not allowing a peaceful protest against the decision is very unfortunate, but BJP is not going to stop with this decision. See, just because the prices in the neighboring states or taxes in the neighboring states are more, that will not give scope for Chief Minister to increase taxes here in Karnataka. The situation in the other states and situation in Karnataka is totally different. In last 1 year, in last 6 months, our farmers are in great distress. The petrol and diesel price hike will affect farmers also and also the common man. So BJP has taken this issue seriously.
BJP's chief whip in the Legislative Council and Ravi Kumar asserted they would not back down despite warnings from the government. He accused the Congress government of raising the various taxes and transferring the funds to the Congress High Command.